view from the top.
We have here, due to your cooperation, a lot of work in education.
Expected something like this, to be honest, but I'm overwhelmed. The reception here in Shaman was totally outstanding.
And only due to possible with Boom Conference, and the only one nation thanks to
from Germany includes boiler machinery and mechanical appliances, telecommunication appliances and equipment, iron.